Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection works. Make sure they share the same Wi-Fi. On your Samsung, open Connections and tap Smart View or Screen Mirroring. Grant any permission prompts. On the HP laptop, go to Settings, System, then Projecting to this PC and set it to Available. Once done, keep both screens unlocked and nearby. This ensures discovery. Make sure Power Saver is off and Bluetooth is enabled if Discovery uses it, because that speeds pairing and reduces dropped connections. You now begin the actual cast. Open Smart View on the Samsung and scan the available devices list until you see your HP laptop. Tap the laptop name to start, then watch the HP for permission prompt, accept it, and if asked, allow input or media access. Once connected, you can choose full screen or windowed mode on the laptop and tweak resolution to reduce lag. If audio is routed incorrectly, switch playback device on the laptop to the newly connected source, so sound follows the screen. You complete the session by stopping Smart View on the phone or using Windows Action Center to disconnect. This cleanly releases resources. If the laptop never appears, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and reopen projecting settings. Rebooting the phone or PC often clears stale Discovery caches. For performance issues, lower the mirroring resolution, switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, or move closer to the router. If permissions block connection, check firewall and privacy settings on Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.